Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by setting safety and conditions. Make sure your party is capable of surviving a tough surprise battle. Equip healing and buff items, and fuse a persona that resists physical hits. Once done, enter the TV world at night and progress deeper, not just exploring the first few floors. Make disciplined choices, avoid reckless runs, conserve SB, and save at a safe point. This gives you consistent opportunities to trigger the Reaper encounter, so you can actually find it instead of wasting time. Now increase the odds. You want dungeon activity and depth. Press forward to later floors each run, because the Reaper tends to appear when you push into the dungeon's heart and after multiple visits on the same day. Don't run from fights. Clearing shadows increases spawn pressure and makes special encounters more likely. Use your map, head toward new staircases, and employ buffs to minimize risk. If you reach a new area and the party is stable, you've maximized your chance of triggering that rare battle. When the Reaper appears, treat it as a high-risk fight. Buff defensively, apply inflictions that matter, and keep heals ready. You can defeat it for persona drops, but if you're underprepared, use instant escape skills or a team retreat. Don't throw away progress. Once you escape, regroup. Swap party members, fuse higher-level personas, and return the next run. If you fail repeatedly, adjust tactics. Change targets, use null/resist personas, or farm a couple levels first. That single troubleshooting change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.